all over the world were shocked with the occurrence of this global pandemic. All sectors ceased their operations and faced the crisis with fear and dilemma. Education in the Philippines halted down in the midweek of March, giving way to unplanned homeschooling for our children. Opening of school year 2020 to 2021 has to be postponed in August. We must not let this chaos stop our children in gaining knowledge. Learning could go on without sacrificing the health and safety of our learners and the teachers. The Department of Education came up with the Learning Continuity Plan that will address the problem in this new normal situation. We, the faculty of Guiling-Coliling Elementary School and the whole Rosales District 1, led by our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Mildred C. Espirito, strongly support this program in uplifting education amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. We believe that education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it, as Malcolm X said. Join us then as we give you a glimpse on how learning will take place for school year 2020 to 2021 at Guiling-Coliling Elementary School. Because with or without pandemic, GCES will continue to grind the finest harvest to ring the bell of excellence.